Hey up. Day 2 of the daily vlog. First job this morning is load the stuff onto the trailer, tuck into this slot here, which is not many left. There's about 10 stools left now. Jeff had some pylon work done. Pylons are sort of over there somewhere. And to get the big machinery and the lorries round, I think they may have had to grub this area out and just rip it out. We'll tidy this bit up. A couple of these silver birch won't coming out because they're going to cast too much shade. I don't know what this is, I can't tell from here. Because there's another one here, that looks like some sort of fruit tree, that does to me. So I might just coppice them off as well. And just allow them to reshoot, refruit. Talking the other day about why I love February. Another reason is what you probably can hear in the background, the bird life in the hedgerows. We get a break in the cars. There we go. I love that. It's just that early sign of a bird calling to each other. They want to make a family. It's just fantastic. I love it. Anyway, we'll quit the waffle. We will quickly get changed. I'll see you in a minute. We're ready. You'd have laughed then. We're just getting changed. I heard these voices and I thought, oh no. Who's watching me get changed? And there was this lady with dogs had to quickly dive behind the van so she didn't see my skinny legs. Saw a little tickle. Don't look at my sharpening technique. This is all out in the field. What I would call my left hand side cutters, I find easier to sharpen than the right hand side cutters. So eventually, if I don't get it in the vise and measure them properly, after a while, I end up coming out with some pretty bowed cuts. But because I'm in the coppice, it's not super critical that we get straight cuts. If I can get this finished cut and extracted today, and then see what's happening with these birches, because I'm just waiting on a message. I decided to cut up this, what I thought was privet. It stinks like dead feet, you know, like that stinky boot smell, but rotten foot smell. It smells like that. It's disgusting. And it started to rain. Quick progress update. Just got a little spinny there, and those whatever they are. I'm not sure if one of them was Guelder rose. We're going to get this into the yard, unload this one, have a quick drink because it's tea break. I was introduced to a new product the other day called Ramial wood chip. I'd never heard of it, so I had to Google it. A chap called Chiz on Facebook, he's a coppice worker down south somewhere, and he sells it in small quantities in bags. But Ramial wood chip is basically wood chip that's not come from big trees. The problem with putting wood chip on gardens is it steals nitrogen from the ground to decompose. Now apparently Ramial wood chip, which is wood chip from anything that's sort of branchy, twiggy stuff up to about 3 to 4 inches, is generally mostly sapwood, they say, and because of that the bugs and the fungi attack it quite quickly. So Ramial wood chip is pretty good for flower beds, mulching, that sort of thing. And I thought, could be an excuse to buy a wood chipper. Now don't worry, I've not got any money for a wood chipper, but I'm thinking long term, if I can try and make as much product as I can from the woodland and the woods that I manage, then Ramial wood chip could be an option. So let me know if you've heard of Ramial wood chip and if you actually sell it. Just trap my finger. This is that shrub I was on about that stinks. Now this is the live version, and I'm pretty sure it's Guelder rose, which is, I think, Viburnumopulus. Is it Guelder rose? Not that it makes much difference, but it's just nice. I like a bit of tree ID. Now we've got steady rain. Don't want to carry on. I'm on a mission to try and get this cut. I've got about 3 hours before my body and the daylight give up. We're on the home stretch now, just this one hazel to do. I'm absolutely soaked. Miserly rain, the stuff that wets you through. It's spitting, get in! And so, another very difficult day over. Don't never trust the weatherman. I think today's message is, if you're able to, try and stay warm and dry while you're cutting the coppice. I'll see you in the next one.